This trail takes you to some of the most iconic sites in Mamallapuram: the Shore Temple, the Five Rathas, and the Tiger Cave. Trace the history of temple building in South India as you explore this ancient port city. How did sculptors of the time build magnificent temples out of immovable rock? What do stone inscriptions tell us about the evolution of local languages? Take a closer look at these old monuments and you will uncover the many myths and legends carved into their walls. Vengeful goddesses, deceitful kings, and awe-inspiring creatures. Mamallapuram has it all.